Say hello to Brokhr, the revolutionary web-based marketplace that allows you to shop for anything you can see. With Brokhr, acquiring real assets has never been easier. Our platform offers hyper-availability, multi-device functionality, and virtual reality marketing to bring tangible experiences to customers. We are a tech-enabled brokerage solution, providing digital twins of both existing and rendered assets, as well as an orientation-based user experience that is unparalleled. Suitable for a variety of industries, including tourism, real estate, entertainment, marketing, and more. It provides the information and media that will allow clients to simplify and automate decisions, generating automated avatars. Think of us as an Amazon for real life. We offer a user-friendly umbrella site that allows you to compare and explore from a platform to a region, a city, or even the entire world. No more guessing or tab clutter. All the information you need is in one place. With Brokhr, buying and selling is unlimited, scalable, and adaptable. Customize your experience and enjoy an orientation-based experiential platform. It's unique, hyper-available, customer-oriented, simple, and entertaining. Join us and revolutionize the way you buy and sell. Welcome to the marketplace for big things. Welcome to Brokhr, creating the future.